Hi everyone, welcome to this special session on 50 daily use English sentences. Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, John. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. What about you?
I slept fine. What's the plan for today? Let's start with breakfast first. What do you feel like eating?
Maybe pancakes?
Sounds good. I'll make some. Can you get the syrup?
Sure, where is it?
In the cupboard, next to the cereal.
Got it. Do we have enough milk?
Yes, I checked yesterday.
These pancakes are delicious.
Thanks. So, what should we do after breakfast?
Let's clean the house first. It's a bit messy.
Agreed. I'll handle the living room. You can do the kitchen.
Okay, deal. After that, how about a movie?
Great idea. What should we watch?
Maybe a comedy? We could use a laugh.
Perfect. I'll make popcorn later. That movie was hilarious.
I know, I couldn't stop laughing. What's next?
Let's take Daisy for a walk. She's been waiting all day.
You're right. I'll grab her leash.
The weather is so nice today.
Yeah, perfect for a walk. Look, Daisy's so happy.
She loves being outside. Should we go to the park?
Definitely. Let's take the longer route.
This place is so peaceful.
I love it here. The fresh air is amazing.
Look at those kids playing. They're having so much fun.
Reminds me of when we were kids.
Should we make dinner now?
Sure. What are you thinking?
How about pasta?
Sounds good. I'll boil the water.
I'll chop the vegetables. Let's make garlic bread too.
Great idea. This smells amazing.
It does. Almost done. Set the table, please.
On it.
The pasta turned out perfect.
You're a great cook, Emma.
Thanks, but you helped too. What should we do after dinner?
Let's play a board game.
Okay, I'll pick one.
You're too good at this.
It's just luck. Should we call it a day?
Yeah, I'm getting sleepy. Good night, Emma.
Good night, John. See you tomorrow.